Yan, no? We're here in the Simala Shrine in the town of Sibonga in southern part of the island of Cebu. So this is an impressive network of structures, buildings, churches. What do you call? Lahat na ata nandito no? Sa akin ay may estimate as an appraiser, this could easily reach more than yung nagawa ngayon, siguro more than 500 million na. And the rate is going, I think abot na 1 billion pa to, no? So maganda yung mga structures here, no? Maganda rin kasi for Filipino Catholics na yung mga icons, no? Mga symbols, religious symbols, very important. Sa other countries kasi so evolved na, no? Yan, I think Mama Mary ba yan o si Santo Niño? Here, ongoing yung construction works here. Ang dami. Sino ba itong mga kwan na to? Can you identify all the angels dyan saka saints? Ayun o, yung mga ganyan o. May name yan eh. Yeah, I think there's may mga names siguro to. Oh. But they're differently styled though. No? Oh. Wala ba? But Satan as a fallen angel, di ba? Ito maganda. Ano ba to siya? This is ano to? Si Santo Niño?
Yata. Santo Niño ito.
Santo Niño, no? Maganda yung pagkagawa ba? Ito. Ito, no? Ilagay natin dito. Built during pandemic year 2020. This huge crown of our Blessed Mother. So this is Mother Mary pala. Measuring. Mother Mary, kan ba to? Sa taas pala is the Mama Mary pala to. Sa taas, tingnan natin yung outside na picture. Okay, so imagine constructed to during the pandemic. No, yan. So you know, against the light lang, but very nice. We go here. So yung pababa na tayo. Maganda, no? So thumbs up tayo dito. Very nice na infrastructure for Filipino Catholics. Laking structure, massive. And that is the Mother Mary na shrine. Malayo.